This project is comprised of two parts. There is a 8-bit graphic gradient rainbow fence going up around the plaza, and there is a 30-foot by 30-foot suspended installation hanging from the sky. My name is Megan Geckler. I'm a site-specific installation artist. I've been making this kind of work for 24 years. Going into the plaza, I looked at it and said, what does this plaza need? My job, I figured right off the bat, was to get people to come not only to the plaza, but investigate the grounds of the plaza, to go up in that mezzanine level, to go and see the suspended piece that's providing shade for the area below. We wanted to keep it as easy as possible because it's a community engagement project. We had 92 second graders helping out and about 40 fourth graders helping out, along with people from the community. Our entire crew is recruited from Weber State University. They've been fantastic to work with. They're either recent grads or current students at Weber State. I hope that people explore the plaza. I hope that they look around. I hope that they go up to the mezzanine level and view the suspended piece from up there. I hope they lay down underneath the suspended piece. It's very zen, very calming, watching all the ribbons dancing around above your head. Nothing's polarizing anybody. There's no politics involved. There's nothing to not enjoy about this artwork.